So now we are looking at the iBenzer stay-in laptop case for our 11-inch MacBook Airs. Didn't come with any instructions on how to really put the computer in here. There's some straps down here. Not really sure what we're supposed to do with those. We tried putting them in the groove here of the spine, the hinge, but it didn't really open and close all that well with those straps on. And when we looked at the pictures in the advertising and online material, it doesn't appear there was ever I don't see any pictures anyway of those straps being used, so we left those out. The bottom side of this case comes with two straps here. Not really sure if we're supposed to use both straps or just one. I don't know, sometimes when you open and close the case, the one strap comes off if you use both. Again, when you look at the pictures online, I only see one of the straps in use, but yeah, I don't know if you can see that. On here they show there's actually two straps on the top and only one on the bottom, which is the opposite of the case we got, which has two on the bottom and only one on the top. So I'm just kind of making a guess at how we should be using these straps. Hopefully this is the correct way to do it. So we'll zip this up, do a drop test here. Ben, if you wouldn't mind.
I'm gonna get back far enough here.
Probably about a 4-foot drop here. Intentionally going to drop it on its back corner. Take a look inside here. Looks like we survived pretty well there. Maybe a ever so slightly bent over corner, but definitely not bad. Looks pretty decent. Try this again here.
Do we want to like try a slide off the desk scenario?
Sure.
Oftentimes kids will bump laptops off of desks, so this will simulate that.
Some minor denting there. But again, not terrible. Pretty good. Alright. Gonna give it a little toss here.
Down that way?
Yep, that way with it.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Looks about maybe a little more damage than it was before. But yeah, for just being a somewhat soft-sided carry case, it seems to do a decent job of protecting. Definitely better than having it without a case. So that one looks pretty decent.
All right.